Today on Colorado Martini, Deadstones, Zombie Crawl, and The Walking Dead. Ooh. Ah! So, the season opener for The Walking Dead is coming up, and it's going to be the final year, right? It's going to be the final season.
Everybody dies and we go home.
And so we're here at Zombie Fest to get some zombies' opinions on who they'd like to see, what they'd like to see in The Walking Dead this year. So let's go take a look.
To eat some brains!
Oh, that's nice to hear. Is everybody going to watch The Walking Dead opening tomorrow? Yeah.
I'm not going to, but they will. I'll be in it.
This is what happens when alcohol gets in their system. We don't want it to happen.
Walking Dead starting tomorrow?
Absolutely, can't wait for it.
What are you doing here today?
Coming to Zombie Crawl, Denver, 6-7 years in a row.
Wow, you guys look awesome.
Thank you so much.
What do you want to see this year on The Walking Dead?
I want to see
the cop die. Like, really? Rick's gotta go.
Rick's gotta go.
The beat.
Obviously didn't make it through the apocalypse.
down on their shirts.
What are you smoking there?
Cigar?
Let's do a close-up of that. So you here for Zombie Crawl? Yeah. Are you excited about The Walking Dead?
Yeah.
Ooh. So the general consensus for The Walking Dead is that everybody wants Rick to die. Why?
Time to go, Rick.
Why?
Yeah, I think we need some fresh characters. He's going to lead the group. I wish they would have left it to Carl.
The world would have been better if Carl had stayed alive?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, Walking Dead, the season opener tomorrow, and this is the final year, right?
Think so.